So hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Gala token, guys. Absolutely, a lot of people now message me about Gala token that please make a video about Gala token that what should we do in a right now situation. Is it a good time to buy, sell, or hold? And guys, a lot of people also ask me because a question about Gala token that when the price of Gala token will pump. So guys, in this video we shortly clear these topics, so keep watch this video complete. But guys, if you're new here, so kindly click the subscribe button for more news and update videos. Let's start the video, guys, and let's go ahead. Guys, first of all, if we take a look of latest 24 hours update of Gala token, so you found Gala token is in the negative changes, Gala token is in the loss. But guys, that's not mean that a lot of people when see a small fall, so they decide to sell. But I believe that that is not a way to make money with the crypto. You know what, guys, in a crypto sometime price pump, sometime price jump, and sometime the price highly pump. So on this time a lot of people want to buy, but when they see a small falls, so they decide selling, and in this way they miss the biggest profit opportunity, guys. So first of all, I did not recommend for you that when you see a small fall, so you decide to sell. No, never do this. Anyways, guys, at this time the right now price of Gala token in the market is 0.0838 USD dollar. That is the current price of Gala in the market. Other side you can see here the changes is negative 0.75%, guys. So the question is that, guys, that when the price of Gala token will pump. So guys, I believe, guys, my prediction about Gala token is that in the last week of October, there is 90 to 80% possibilities that the price of Gala token will pump in the last week of October. So that's my personal prediction about Gala token, and I recommend for all of you that at this time you have to hold. That's my personal opinion. Anyways, remember that if you are new on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.